Question 6. Based on the information in the passage and the data given in the graph, we can conclude that people with high cognitive ability are most likely to go to a doctor for diagnosis of which of these disorders. Right, so the passage did mention that there is a slight difference, that there's some people self-diagnose, and then there are those who are diagnosed by health professionals. So that's the difference between the light brown and the dark brown bars. And therefore, if we want to know that now people with high cognitive ability who are most likely to go to a doctor for diagnosis, that means that there are very few who are doing self-diagnosis. That means you're looking for these bars, the minimum difference between the light and the dark brown, the least difference between light brown and dark brown. And if you run your eyes through, you find that this is the least difference, and therefore you're looking at autoimmune disorders. So that correct answer is B, and the others can be eliminated.